Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change privacy settings on Twitter. So let's get started. At first we need to know that Twitter app is now changed into this app called X. So let's get into it. Now click on your profile icon on the top left corner and click on settings and support over here and click on settings and privacy. Here we can see various options about our privacy settings. Now click on privacy and safety and you can choose any of these activities you want to change about audience tagging, post, other contents, mute and block and all of this. So this is all we need to do to change our privacy setting. Now if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.